First of all, I would like to wish good morning to our beloved lecturer, Madam Sharifa, as our Acknowledge Management lecturer. For today, we will be present about our group project, which is about Amazon. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Koti Saiban, and I will be present about Amazon introductions, knowledge management, and the process of knowledge management. Okay, the first one is introductions of the Amazon. Amazon.com Inc., an American multinational conglomerate technology company based in Seattle with 750,000 employees. It focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, design stream, and artificial intelligence. It is considered as one of the biggest technology company along with Google's, Apple's, and Facebook. It has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington in July 1994. The company started as an online marketplace for books but expanded to sell accessories, software, video game, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelry. The second one is knowledge management. Okay. Knowledge management refers to the name of the concept which an enterprise consciously and comprehensively greater organize, shares, and analyze its knowledge in terms of resource, document, and people skills. Knowledge management involves data mining and some method of operation to push information to user. A knowledge management plan involve a survey of corporate goals and a close examinations of the tools, both traditional and technical, that is required for addressing the needs of the company. The driver in KM is knowledge-based driver. Knowledge-based driver refer to organization is face issue from lack of proper and organized knowledge. An effective KM system in the organization will help at the time. The second one is technology driver. Technology driver motivate a new opportunity to compete other competitor by employing new technology in the company. The third one is intra-organizational drivers. For the intra-organizational drivers, the organization and culture undergoes dramatic change to accommodate the requirements of effective knowledge management. And the fourth one is human resource driver. HR driver of KM is include the needs of improvement, knowledge transfer, sharing, and creation in cross-functional teams of knowledge workers to make proactive response to competitive challenges. The fifth one is process driver. Process driver are focused on improving work process through KM related initiative. An organization needs to be proactive and anticipate the forces that will shape the market in their fields of operations. Economy, the sixth one is economy driver. An economy driver is the potential of creating extraordinary returns and added value through knowledge, and it results attractive economies in increasing return. And the final is process. The process in KM is the knowledge management process that universal for any business. Sometimes the resources used such as tools and techniques may be unique to the organizational environment. Okay, the knowledge hierarchy consists of data, information, and knowledge. To make a knowledge, there are six steps that should be followed to make a knowledge. First is collecting. Collecting is the most important step in knowledge process. If we collect the relevant or incorrect data, it can be result the knowledge. The second step is organizing. The data collected must be organized. The organizational generally takes place on the basis of certain rules. The third step is summarizing. In this step, the information is summarized in order to capture its essence. The fourth step is analyzing. At this point, the information is analyzed to find relationship and the patterns. And the fifth step is synthesizing. At this point, the formation become knowledge. The result of the analysis are combined together to drive various concept and artifact. And the last one is decision maker. At this point, the knowledge is used for decision making. For example, when estimate a specific type of project or task, knowledge related to previous estimate can be used. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Zahidi. Okay, today I would like to present about importance of knowledge management to successful of an organization. Knowledge management is any system that helps people in organization shares, access and update business knowledge and information. Amaz- Amazon determined that the user experience the ability of its customers to find what they want when they want it quickly and easily was a key to success. Amazon used KM principles and practice to add significant value for their customer in many ways. First, one portal, one interface. Everything customer buy from Amazon, all the business with them is through the same portal. Second, consistent presentation. From the product specification to review, the Amazon will display an information every product in the same way to order or purchase the product everywhere is possible. Third, modular content. The Amazon organize every page on Amazon website in easy to read every section. The website doesn't have elaborate PDF books to combine through the website. 4. Distribute upstreaming content creation. Although Amazon appears to control everything that customers see, for the most part the product company, while the real expertise is actually generating the content. 5. Almost magical personalization. The website Amazon is so useful to the customer. The more the user use the website, the better it known. 6. Crowdsourcing. The website of Amazon has a good feature like customer provided, renting, review the item and a good look image for the product and an analysis of what customer most like. 7. Insanely easy and consistent transaction. Buying something from Amazon will give a great information. The system of website give comfortable to the user. Next, the feedback. Amazon is one of the most successful e-commerce sites in getting users to provide meaningful feedback. For the next topic is how to the knowledge management practice in company. As a small or mid-sized business, you may not be able to develop your own suite of cloud-based collaboration software like Microsoft or an AI-powered call center like Amazon, and you may not have multiple officers for hands-on training of employee like Toyota. Okay, for the first, how to the knowledge management practice is adopt the right tools. Adopt code-based knowledge management tools that are simply to use. If new tools are overly complex, no one will use them. Find solutions that have built-in integration with the programs and application employees are already use. Take advantage of new technology. Adopt tools and technology that use AI to process and catalog resources. Ideal solution may automate the processes of updating knowledge and our automatically categorize and tag new content to make it easier to find. Third, document important processor. Using Amazon document as a template or come up with your own standard process document. Further lastly, find creative ways for employees to share tacit knowledge. Establish a mentor program that pairs new hires with long-time employees. Make sure managers know how to perform the most critical tasks that their team are responsible for. Set aside time for employee in related roles to cross-train. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakul Razi bin Rashid. Today I will tell you about a tool and technology that used by Amazon. First is dash button. The dash button begins its life as a single function controller about the size of a pack of gum that Amazon Prime members could place around the house. Second is Amazon Fresh. The Amazon Fresh subsidiary allow use in certain geographic market to place grocery order from the company expensive inventory of fresh produce, brand name packaged good and Amazon branded. Next is Amazon Prime Air. Device is remain surrounded in controversy. The company is optimistic that people will review drones that bring them things that they want in a more favorable, like that drone used for spying or deploying weapons. Next is Amazon Fire TV. A Fire TV box stream live TV and allow user to watch hundreds of Q show and move. It is also a popular and well received gaming device. Next is Amazon Fire Phone. The phone was capable of downloading and running apps designed for Google Android, and naturally it had useful tie-ins to Amazon shopping service. The problem or challenging that faced by Amazon is to keep up e-commerce growth, is international performance, to keep rival at the bay, the balancing investment versus profit, to dealing with more intensive government security. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Edward Staduli, and today I want to present about the conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion, information and knowledge have profoundly transformed business, organizations, and society. Knowledge management promise concept and also the instrument that will help an organization to provide a supportive environment of knowledge creation, sharing, and also application. The implementation of knowledge management in the Amazon company will help the company to be more competitive among their rivals. This is because Amazon company is a well positioned to remain as the biggest internet retailer in the world. The implementation of knowledge management will surely make Amazon to become the one of the largest consumer packaged goods. Other than that, with the help of knowledge management, Amazon also can create a better profit which will help Amazon to be more developed in the future. Thank you.